Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome set. So it is a 4 set pack here. So it comes with a cup, a plate, a bowl, and actually like a knife and spoon and fork set, which is just great, especially if you want this for camping or outdoor. The quality here is like way better than I had ever expected. It has held up through dishwashers. It is held up with really hot drinks. So if your plastic is kind of soft, if you go like this, it will kind of squeeze. These, I know they're not plastic, but they also do not squeeze under any sort of hot temperatures. You can microwave in them. Basically, they're just a great all-around plate that you can trust your kids that they won't break. So I'm going to show you the set. So here is the set. This is all pink. And then I have these here to show you the other colors it comes in. But this is a seriously quality cup. I could barely even squeeze this. So this set is tested with hot chili, and I want to say that the bowl and spoon and everything definitely passed my inspection because it was still a solid bowl even with this boiling hot chili in it. I really like the speckles in it, and I like the design of the utensils too. But I highly recommend this product, and that's just my point of view.